What's up, YouTube? This is Antoine with Chump Chunk Production. Have make a quick, short video just to touch in, let you guys know what's going on with me, and talk about the market a little bit here. Don't be deceived by the fake pumps with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to be going down to about between 8 to 10,000 here in the next 3 to 6 months. So I wouldn't start buying Bitcoin until it got down to about 15,000, and then start doing the cost average as it goes down. I keep buying. Um, I'm hoping that Ethereum gets down to about 200 bucks, so I can go heavy on it. Right now, it's at let me see. Right now, it's at Bitcoin is at $19,326. Right now, Ethereum's at $1,052. So I got hopefully it goes down by another $852, and then I'll start buying. But once Ethereum gets down to about 500, I'm gonna start buying about 5 to 700 bucks. I'll start putting positions in to buy it. So anyway, this is GoBitIO. If you guys don't know, we check out Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and other talk. And there's another altcoin. I can't remember what the name of it is. Let me see here. Bitcoin Cash. Yeah. So yeah. I'm gonna put the link to my blog in the description and to Midas Investment. For those that don't know, Midas Investment is a platform where you can earn passive Bitcoin, staking stable coins or Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever. Um, I have my referral link in there, so if you guys want to sign up under that, before you do your due diligence and research, and before you invest one red cent, make sure that you know what you're getting into. But just rest assured, when you conclude your investigation on Midas Investments, you'll see that they've been out 5 years and they've been paying 5 years on time to all the investors. I've withdrawn from them. I've been with them for the past 6 months, 6, 7 months, making money and withdrawing. So I mean, it's a pretty sweet platform. But I just wanted to come in and touch on what's going on in the market, talk about myself, and give thanks to the sovereign Lord Yahweh for making ways for us, my wife and my kids, and for you as well. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Um, Here, this guy, Jump Kramer, so many people talk about him in the crypto market. I was surprised to see his article on my blog. No big deal. But yeah, there's a lot going on this news website. So if you wanna know what's going on, just come here to my site and send all your friends too. You guys can get up to the minute news on what's going on around the world. And if you're only interested in crypto, then just check out crypto. Whatever you need, let the real news be your news outlet for up to the minute news as it breaks and gets released up to the minute. Well, that's about all I got to say today, guys. Hope you have a good one. And remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and spread these videos to your friends on Twitter and social media. And let's let's move forward in the future, guys. And remember, don't fret about what's going on with Bitcoin. You gotta You got to understand that Bitcoin moves in 4 year cycles. It does this every 4 years. It goes up real high and then it crashes down. It basically going to go back to where it started out in 2020 or 2020, when it was about 8 to 9 thousand. That's why I'm saying it's going back to 8 to 10,000, because from what I've been looking at with the liquidity and the charts over the last 7 months, that's how I know that it's going back to 8 to 10,000. Because that's just what the data says. There's a lot of money locked in liquidity at that 10,000 mark, and it's been like that since January or since December. So that's how you find out what's going on, is by studying the liquidity. Well, that's all I got, guys. You have a good day. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence and stay safe. Peace.